Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's repair is a 2012 Toyota Camry. Customer stated that their headlamps are dull, and at night the headlamps are as bright as they could be. They've already had the headlamps polished once before, so they requested having both of them replaced. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get to it. First thing we'll do is going to remove this upper plastic, like radiator cover. There's 7 little push tabs. The OE style ones you can push straight down in the center. To disconnect the upper part of the grill, there's 3 plastic clips, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. Next, underneath the vehicle, we're going to remove about 6 of these 10mm screws along the front of the bumper. And we're not going to remove this completely. We're not going to remove the plastic completely. We're going to just enough to hang down and work on disconnecting our fog lights. All right, next we're at where the bumper meets the fender. There's a little plastic clip there, and another plastic clip halfway down. Pop this off the bumper retainer right there. It is kind of common to break these just because they are plastic. But now we're going to work on the other side. Right behind the grill is another clip that also holds on part of the bumper. There's one on the other side as well. There's one more clip in the middle. We're going to get those out. All right, with all the clips removed, we should be able to work the bumper off now. Okay, to remove the headlamps, there's 4 10mm screws, bolts, one there, and then the 2 up top. So our new headlamps come with new bulbs in them, so we're going to take out all our new ones, or take out all the old ones. All right, got our new headlamp assembly. We'll reconnect all our headlight bulbs. The bolt on the side was a fine thread screw, or a fine thread bolt. I like to install all the screws, I like to get all the screws started before tightening them down, just in case of any adjustment needed. I like to leave the plastic on till everything's back together, less chance of scratching up. Nice new headlamp. Next, now the other side. Same thing for the other side. Just so you can see, sometimes new headlamps comes with everything needed. Sometimes they don't. I did install new low beam bulbs. Customer request, or also bought specialty, a little bit different type of bulb, and that's what they wanted. So I installed that and then put it back in just like the other side. Before putting our bumper back on, it's a good idea to check to make sure all the bulbs are working. All right, now we'll put our bumper back on. I'll work the plastic around the edges just because sometimes it's kind of hard to get it out from behind the bumper. I'll snap my sides in. We'll put our upper bumper clips in. Put our fender well clips back in. Before we put our lower skid plate on, reconnect the fog lights. We'll put our lower engine cover back on. Before installing the upper grill clips, go ahead and install the bumper ones. So when putting the bumper back on, these clips, these 3 clips for the bumper were kind of hard because there's something right above it. You can take them out pretty easy with the grill on, but going back in is a little bit harder. So I ended up just removing the grill. The grill has as these little tabs on the back, all the way across and on the side. It was kind of a pain to get them off. They were kind of caught. With the aged plastic, stuff doesn't flex very well or come off as easy. So, but a little bit of wiggling, a little bit of prying, and then the grill comes off, and I worked my way down, and it kind of peeled off with that. I got my 3 clips back in. Now we're going to put the grill back on and finish putting the rest of our clips in. Last thing to do is to adjust them or check the aim. Right here is your adjustment screw. All right, well, that wraps this up. This is the XLE model Camry. The L, LE, XLE all take the same headlamps. These are the halogen ones. They do have an HID option, but these are the XLE standard halogen bulbs. You can source these headlamps. They are aftermarket from about 75 to probably 150 bucks a piece. OE headlamps run about $415 a piece. Well, the harder part about this is the plastics, trying to get stuff separated, like around the grill area, but it's just, job was pretty reasonable. Labor cost for about 2.2 hours. Besides the headlamps, I'd also source some of the plastic clips. If some are going to break, they are nice to have handy when you need it. But anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I may not have all your answers. Hopefully I had some. That being said, I'll see you on the next one. I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I don't think they're a light rider. Oh.